Okay, so today I've been asked a quick question on how to dismantle your clock so you can set the hands if they get stuck. So I thought, I'd make a little quick video to show you what you need to do. So get in some tweezers. Just need to get 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift off. Okay, and that's that. Now what you need here is a little piece of a card. I think I've got a piece here. Alright, a little bit of a credit card or bank card or anything really. Cut a little, as you can see, I've cut a little shape out of it at the end there. So I'll take these ones out to show you. So what I do is put my little bit of plastic like that, with a groove cut into it, and push down. Okay, then you just pop the hour hand back over it, and that should be enough to stop it sticking. Okay, if you like the videos, hit the subscribe button down here, give us a thumbs up if you want to see more like this. Okay, thanks for watching for this quick tip video.